Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Pattern Play, and this is a sweet little card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Pattern Play, and we're going to be using Fill the Day with Your Guilty Pleasures. And I have a piece of crushed curry, and this is cut at 1/2 inch. I'm going to come in with my Night of Navy, and then I have our stamp mounted on clear block H. And let's see, I'm going to put it to the left side here, just like that. And let's put this aside. Our card base is Whisper White thick, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. Let's see. And I have a piece of the Playing with Patterns Designer Series paper. I think that's what it's called. I'll be sure to link the name below. And this is cut at 4 1/4 by 1.5. And I'm just going to put some adhesive on here. And this was one of our sketch challenges. So I'm just going to put it here in the middle. I'm going to butt it up on one end and then just run my fingers across. And then I have a piece of Night of Navy, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. I do want to take this time to tell you that they are retiring Whisper White. So if you need it, there is a limit of 2. So get yours while you can still. Next, I'm going to come in with the square vellum doilies. And let's see, I'm going to get a glue dot. Well, where did my glue dots go? So we will just, there's a hair on that one. Put it right there in the center, and I'm going to center this to the left and then just put that down. Excuse me. Next, I'm going to get this and trim it. So just like that. And then I'm going to come in with these elegant faceted gems. And I'm going to be using these white ones here. So I'm going to get a big one and put it right here in the center. And then, let's see, I think we'll do all big ones. So just like that, a quick and simple card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!